Armagh is a city steeped in history, culture, and natural beauty. In this video, we'll explore the top things to do in Armagh, ensuring that you can make the most out of your visit to this captivating part of Ireland. At number 1, you have to explore St. Patrick's Cathedral, one of the city's most iconic landmarks in Armagh. Founded in the 5th century by St. Patrick himself, the cathedral has been rebuilt multiple times, with its present structure dating back to the 13th century. St. Patrick's Cathedral has been the ecclesiastical capital of Ireland since St. Patrick's time and is traditionally associated with the primacy of Ireland, making it one of the most significant religious sites on the island. Inside, you'll find stunning stained glass windows, intricate carvings, and a museum that delves into the cathedral's fascinating history. St. Patrick's Cathedral welcomes visitors from around the world who come to admire its architectural beauty and explore its rich history. Guided tours are available, providing insights into the cathedral's significance and notable features. The cathedral also hosts regular religious services, concerts, and events throughout the year, offering visitors the opportunity to experience its spiritual and cultural heritage. The Armagh County Museum, housed in a beautiful Georgian building, provides a fascinating overview of the city's history and culture. The museum was established in 1937 and is housed in a historic building that was once part of the Armagh Jail complex. The museum's collection has grown over the years through donations, acquisitions, and archaeological finds, reflecting the cultural heritage and history of the county. With exhibits on archaeology, natural history, and local art, the museum offers a wealth of information for visitors interested in delving deeper into Armagh's rich past. The museum's exhibits cover various themes, including archaeology, artifacts from prehistoric, Celtic, and medieval periods, including pottery, tools, and weapons. Social history, displays on everyday life in County Armagh, including domestic life, agriculture, industry, and transportation. Local heritage, exhibits on notable figures, events, and landmarks in County Armagh's history, including the Armagh Observatory and the ecclesiastical heritage of Armagh City. And natural history, collections of flora and fauna native to County Armagh, including taxidermy specimens, fossils, and geological samples. Also, the Armagh County Museum hosts a variety of temporary exhibitions, events, and educational programmes throughout the year. Just a short drive from the city centre, Navan Fort is an ancient ceremonial site that played a crucial role in Irish mythology. It is one of Ireland's most important archaeological sites and has a history dating back over 2,000 years. It is believed to have been a significant ceremonial and ritual site during the Iron Age and was the capital of the ancient Ulaid kingdom. The site features a large circular earthwork enclosure known as a ring fort, which is surrounded by a series of ditches and banks. Within the enclosure, archaeologists have uncovered evidence of structures including roundhouses, hearths, and pits, suggesting that Navan Fort was once a bustling settlement. The site is also associated with the ancient goddess Macha, after whom it is named. According to legend, Macha was said to have raced the king's horses while heavily pregnant, cursing the men of Ulster with pain and weakness as a result. Kids will love the enchanting surroundings and hearing about the myths and legends of Celtic gods in Ireland. Continuing our journey through the county, Armagh Planetarium is a must-visit for science enthusiasts and curious minds of all ages. It was established in 1968 as part of the Armagh Observatory, which has a long history of astronomical research dating back to the 18th century. The planetarium was created to promote public engagement with astronomy and space science and has since become a popular destination for visitors. Learn about the wonders of the universe. You can take a trip into the planetarium's Mars room or touch the largest meteorite in Ireland, which is 4.6 billion years old. You can also explore scale models of probes, such as Viking, and satellites, such as the International Space Station and the Hubble Space Telescope. The planetarium's exhibition space features interactive displays, models, and artifacts related to astronomy, space exploration, and scientific discovery. Visitors can learn about the history of astronomy, the latest discoveries in space science, and the technology used to study the universe. The Robinson Library, located in the heart of Armagh, is a notable cultural and educational institution that is steeped in history. Originally built in 1771, the library was founded by Archbishop Richard Robinson as part of his vision to transform Armagh into a city of learning and culture. It houses a remarkable collection of rare books and early printed works, covering a wide range of subjects such as theology, philosophy, and literature. Our last recommendation is to visit Gosford Castle, a magnificent 19th century architectural gem designed by the famous London architect Thomas Hopper. The castle's unique blend of Norman and Gothic styles, as well as its imposing structure, is sure to leave visitors in awe. Although the castle has been converted into private apartments, its exterior remains a stunning backdrop for photographs and a testament to the region's rich history. If you are planning on an upcoming visit to Northern Ireland, be sure to check out our blog www.connollycove.com. Thanks for watching.